If your PC is running slow or acting weird, I'm in the same boat, so let's take the opportunity to clean it up together with Malwarebytes step by step. This tool is one of the best free options for removing malware, adware, and other junk that can slow down your system. I have been using it for over 15 years and it's never failed me. Let's jump right into the process. First, download and install Malwarebytes from the link in the description below, which will take you directly to the official Malwarebytes website. Then click on Free Download. Once installed, open the app and you'll see the dashboard. If you want to look around and get familiar with it, then click on Scan to start a full system scan. Malwarebytes will scan your PC for malware, potentially unwanted programs, and adware, which can take some time depending on the files on your computer. I will speed it up here as mine has many files on the hard drive. Our scan has finished and it was a thorough one, scanning over 230,000 items in almost 22 minutes. The scan found 2 malware infections on my computer, as shown in the list of threats in the thread scan results. Review them first for false positives, and if all seems fine, click Quarantine to remove everything safely. This process ensures we clean out hidden threats that traditional antivirus might miss, giving you a secure system. After quarantining, you'll be prompted to restart your PC to complete the cleanup. However, we won't do that now. After you do that, you likely notice your system running smoother and faster, and you'll have the peace of mind that your system is safe. Malwarebytes also offers real-time protection in its paid version, but the free version is excellent for quick, on-demand cleaning when your antivirus fails to find the threat. This tool will locate and nuke it 99% of the time. Remember, all the download links and details are in the description below. So grab Malwarebytes, clean up your PC, and enjoy a faster system today. And if you want to take your protection even further, don't stop here. My next video breaks down the top 5 free antivirus software you should know about. It's on screen now and linked below. Before you head out, make sure to subscribe and join my free newsletter where I share bonus codes, tech tips, free tools, and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.